to date, I have hosted 10 Thanksgiving and 10 Christmases, which brings us to about 20 turkeys that I have cooked. I have so many tips, some of which you might have never heard of, but my singular goal today is to share my turkey cutting technique. This turkey cutting hack will reduce cooking time and hopefully will also reduce your stress during the holidays. I'm smoking a turkey, but this turkey hack will work with any attempt of cooking the bird, including frying them. So my first tip for a big event is to clear your fridge before you go grocery shopping. And I guess might as well share our menu last year. I made the turkey and tamales. Then our friends and family come over and brought the sides and desserts. As you will see later, it was quite a feast. Now let's do the turkey cutting hack. So we're gonna cut our turkey before we dry brine it. I feel that it might be easier if I illustrate it for you. This is how it's usually done. You cut its backbone left and right and remove the backbone, and then you flatten it. This technique is often called butterfly or even spatchcock. Ultimately, it does make the cooking faster. After doing this for many years, I found a simpler approach. Instead of 2 cuts, just make 1 and skip the flattening altogether. I'll give you a few reasons why this is actually better. For one, there's less handling of the cold, slippery bird, and if you do this year after year, there's less chance of your joints wearing out. I don't have science backing me up, but I feel like if you have an access to the chamber, it will have more chance of the hot air circulating. Here's a bonus advantage. The turkey still retains that iconic turkey look. Now you might be wondering, how much time do I save from all of this? Well, first of all, I'm an accidental smoker. I only accidentally had to smoke turkey last year because we broke our oven. A decade ago, I did smoke a turkey, but the skin was tough like leather. Anyway, I used this book called Meathead during Thanksgiving and it was very successful. And for Christmas, I decided to film the whole turkey smoking process, which means I have records and videos timestamp and everything so that we can actually see if we saved some cooking time. So far on day 1, we've done the turkey cutting hack. Day 2 is all about flavor. We're cutting some herbs for the dry rub and also some veggies for the gravy. And according to the internet, for an 80-pound turkey, that's about 12 hours. Here's my estimation. It's about 5 hours. But let us see what really happened. Alright, we're in day 3. Our smoker is pretty simple. In fact, I just found out from the book. It's called the chip offset. We heat the coal in the charcoal chimney, and when the coal is hot, we wrap the wood chips in foil and we add holes to the foil with a fork. Now is a good time to prepare our turkey. Here are some tips. Since you have dry brine your turkey, you don't need to paper towel it too much. You need a little bit of moisture so that the smoke has something to stick on. But at the same time, I do not believe in adding butter to your turkey because too much moisture might make your turkey skin leathery. Alright, let's take this turkey and see how long it really takes. Alright, this is exactly 4 hours 38 minutes later. We are actually ahead of the schedule. We're ahead of the schedule even when we had to take out the charcoal to get rid of the soot and ashes. We had to do this several times. Cooking setup for everyone is different, so be generous when you estimate your cooking time. This time I was really excited to try the gravy because it's gonna be smoked gravy. And the recipe has apples in it and I wasn't sure about having sweet gravy. Let me tell you, once I tried the stock, I really truly appreciate the Meathead book because it wasn't sweet at all. The way that I describe it is more like it's very balanced. I have one last tip and let's see how the final menu looks like. If you're a new smoker, when you carve the turkey, don't be alarmed if the turkey seems pink. The color changes depending on the wood chips that you choose. As long as your turkey reaches the correct temperature and the juices juices runs clear, you're good. I hope that this has been helpful. That's it for me today, and I hope you have a good holiday, and see you in my next video.